Join me as I take on the challenge of generating $1,000 in passive income, and I'll show you exactly how I do it step by step. Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom. It's the ability to earn money without actively working for it. Today, I'm excited to share a proven method that can help you generate $1,000 in passive income every month. One of the biggest obstacles is a lack of knowledge. Many don't know where to start or what investments to make. Fear is another major hurdle. People are afraid to take the leap or invest their hard-earned money. Generating passive income requires some risk-taking and experimentation. You have to learn from your mistakes. Many believe you need a lot of money to start, but you can generate passive income with little to no initial investment. Another challenge is impatience. Generating passive income takes time, effort, and persistence. The strategy I recommend is centered around creating and selling digital products. This could be an ebook, a course, or any digital asset that solves a problem in the market. Once you've created the product, you can sell it and earn passive income from royalties. Identify a profitable niche or market that has a demand for digital products. You can use tools like Google Trends or social media to find popular topics and trends. Sell your product through platforms like Gumroad or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. One inspiring story is of a stay-at-home mom who earned over $1,000 in passive income from her ebook. Another example is a software engineer who created a WordPress plugin and earns over $5,000 monthly. Generating passive income is not rocket science. It requires effort, patience, and persistence. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts on generating passive income in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on financial growth and passive income.